I'm going to show you just how easy it is to pack this stuff up. This is the sustainer from Festool. That's the ETS. Undo the plug, just go straight in the back. Drop that in there. We'll pull her along. I wind it up into a circle so it just fits straight over the top of everything in there. Close the lid. Put it on the skateboard from Tanos. It locks in like so. Little clip down here. Roll that up. That's locked on. I get the dust extractor, little CTL sys. Do that. It's all locked on as well. And hey presto, look at that. How cool is that? So easy. This just goes in the back of the car. It's nice and light. I do have the big one, the CT26, but it's too heavy for taking out here. I like to keep it in the workshop. For little jobs like this thing is ideal. This thing is ideal. And this thing down here is the duck's guts. I'll leave a link for you. Well, there you go. All done.